Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Zelle with Wells Fargo, money transfer guide step by step clearly. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app on your smartphone. If you haven't yet downloaded the app, visit the App Store or Google Play Store to install it. Log in with your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer and Pay section. Select Send Money with Zelle. You may need to read and accept the terms and conditions for using. Next, you'll see options to either link an email address or a mobile number. Choose the option that suits you best for sending and receiving money. Enter the email address or mobile number you'd like to link. Confirm the information is correct before proceeding. Wells Fargo will send a verification code to the chosen email or phone number. Retrieve the code from your email or messages. Enter the verification code in the app and click Verify. After verification, you can set up your Zelle profile. Add your preferred payment method if prompted, either a checking or savings account. Review your settings to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're satisfied, tap Done to complete the setup. You can now start sending and receiving money using Zelle through Wells Fargo. To send money, return to the Transfer and Pay section and select Send Money with Zelle. Choose a recipient from your contacts or enter their email or phone number manually. Enter the amount you wish to send. Add an optional message if you like. Review your transaction details before hitting send. You'll receive a confirmation once the transaction is complete. To check your transaction history, return to the Transfer and Pay section. Enjoy hassle-free money transfers with Zelle and Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.